Thank you for watching. Today is April 16th, 2019. We have been called by a local plumbing company that has a truck stuck in the mud. It's at a new construction site, home site, and I am with Dad. We're in truck number 6, the 4-wheel drive unit. So we are going out there to see if we can't get them out. It's supposed to be an E350 box truck, not too far off the road. But we'll see when we get there and turn the helmet camera back on and let you see all the action. So stay tuned. Pull past. Pull past. Pull past. Back up to it. We'll grab the low wheel and turn the wheels all the way right and ease it back up on that ditch and ease it out the front end down the driveway now. I do FedEx trips like this all the time. Let me look at it. Let me get out and look at it. Turn your lights on. Oh God. This truck got a low headroom. Oh, it ain't gonna have to come far. They don't have to come but a foot back. Leave his wheels, leave his brakes locked. We'll back up in here, put our boom right there. Yeah, we'll have to. Get that through there. Huh? Yeah. I think so. Huh? Y'all both work for E&E? All right, let me get one of you guys to stand up there and slow them down right quick for me. We'll have to block the road, get this thing out. Here's the vest to put on.
Wave at them, jump up and down, walk out the road.
Dad, I'm going to have you boom right about here. That way we have room for that corner to cut back in.
Actually, it needs to be right over
Right next to the sign, yeah. Just no, just swing out right quick and back up. Yeah, go ahead and hold them right there. Hold on a second. Hold on. Go ahead. You gonna drive it? Okay. You should be able to see me right at your passenger side mirror. All the way right. Hold your brakes. Hold the brakes. Hold your brakes. There we go. Let off. All right, hold it. Had to work that one quick, folks. Sometimes you have to do that just due to location. This one's blocking a pretty vital path here, so we did it that way. Now let's pack our truck up. I want to block in one lane. We're pretty good. Good job. Let's see if we can get out here without getting run over now. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. We got the truck out, no secondary damages. Pretty quick little job. So he is back on the road, back to the next job, and we are going back to our shop now. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Comment, let us know what you think, and most importantly, God bless.